You're welcome in Mataji class. Before this video, in part 1 of irrational, we have read root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are irrational, and after this in part 2 we have read 7 root 5, 1 by root 2, 3 root 5 are irrational, and in this last third part we have read 6 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Our all parts are in Hindi, English, and Hindi English mixed language. Now we will prove 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Before solving of these questions, you know root 2 is irrational because examiners know that you have knowledge of root 2 is irrational. So examiner assume that you know root 2 is irrational. In solution of these questions, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. First we assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational, which is contrary to the given statement, because in given statement 6 plus root 2 is irrational, and we assume that 6 plus root 2 is irrational, and we know any irrational number becomes in form of a by b or p by q, and in this denominator becomes not equal to 0, and here a by b is rational and denominator is not equal to 0, where a and b are co-prime integers. You can write only a and b are integers. Rearranging we get root 2 and by side change we get root 2 equal to a by b minus 6. In first side 6 is positive, so when this 6 goes on second side then becomes negative, and this root 2 becomes first side and this becomes negative, a by b minus 6, and by solving of this we get we can a by cross multiplication a minus 6b by b. So root 2 will be equal to a minus 6b by b, and here 6a and b are integers. 6a and b are integer because in starting given a and b are integers, and if a and b are integers and 6 are integers, then their ratio will be rational, because we know that if any value becomes in forms of p by q, if any value becomes in forms of p by q and denominator not becomes equal to 0, then that value becomes rational. So this is a minus 6b by b will be rational, and if this value will be rational, then this is equal to root 2. Hence root 2 will be rational, but this contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational. In starting I say you that examiner know that you know root 2 is irrational, and this is contradicts the fact, because you know root 2 is irrational, and by solving of this process we get a minus 6b by b is rational, and root, hence root 2 will be according to this rational, and before this we know root 2 is irrational, so contradiction finds, and these contradictions arises because of our incorrect assumptions. This contradiction arises because 6 plus root 2 is rational. In starting we assume, because if root 2 is rational, root 2 is rational due to a minus 6b by b, and this a minus 6b by b we finds due to this rational 6 plus root 2 is rational. Hence this contradiction arises due to incorrect assumptions. In starting we assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. Due to this contradiction is find, and if this 6 plus root 2 is not rational, then 6 plus root 2 not will be rational, and when this 6 plus root 2 not will be rational, then this 6 plus root 2 will be irrational. We conclude that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. In your exam, if examiner asks at the place of this positive negative 6 minus root 2 is irrational, then you can solve similar to these questions. 6 minus, in starting first you assume 6 minus root 2 is rational, and 6 minus root 2 will be equal to a by b, and after this in rearranging point you can change these types. 6 minus a by b will be equal to root 2, because this root 2 is in this side negative, hence when this root 2 goes in second side, then this root 2 will be positive, and this root a by b will be negative, because this a by b is positive. Hence we find 6 minus a by b equal to root 2. By solving of this we can get 6b minus a by b. 6b, at the place of this we can find 6b by cross multiplication or by solving fractions. We get 6b minus a by b equal to root 2. Hence at this place will be root 2. 6b will becomes negative. A minus, at the place of a minus 6b will be 6b minus a by b, and here 6 a and b are integers, hence this 6b minus a by b will be integers, and 6b minus a by b will be rationals, because this will be in forms of p by q, and we know that if any value becomes in forms of p by q, then that value becomes rationals, and if this value 6b minus a by b will be rational, then this is equal to root 2, hence this root 2 will be rationals, and this contradicts the fact, because you know that root 2 is irrational, and this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption 6 plus root 2 is rational. So we conclude that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So you can solve this type questions if at the place of positive plus becomes negative, then only you care in changing of side, and similar to this 6 plus root 2 will be solution of these questions. For your good practice, some questions are given. 6 minus root 2 is irrational, 5 plus root 3 is irrational, 5 minus root 3 is irrational. You can solve these questions, and solutions of these questions you can send me on Telegram Mataji class. For more clarity, I take other examples questions. 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Similar to that questions, first we assumes that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, which is contrary to given condition, because in given condition or given statement is 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, and opposite to this we take 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. 3 plus 2 root 5, if this is rational, then this 3 plus 2 root 5 becomes equal to a by b, and this a by b is form of rational, because any value becomes rational, then that value becomes in form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0, and a and b are co-prime integers. Rearranging of this, we get 2 root 5 equal to a by b, and these 3 goes in second side, and when these 3 goes in second side, then becomes negative, and by solving of this we get 2 root 5 equal to e by cross multiplications, e minus 3b by b. So 2 root 5 equal to a minus 3b by b, and therefore these 2 goes in denominator side, and we find root 5 equal to a minus 3b by 2b. Here 2, 3, a and b are integers. Here 2, 3, a and b are integers. Then ratio of this value will be rational, because we know that if any value becomes in forms of p by q, and this a minus 3b by 2b is in forms of p by q, hence this will be rationals, and if this value is rational, then equal to this root 5 will be rational. So root 5 is rational, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational, because you know that root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational. After this question you have proof root 5 is irrational, and so this contradicts the fact root 5 is irrational, and so this root 5 rational is not right. If this root 5 is rational is not right, then a minus 3b by 2b is not right. Hence our and this is due to this assumptions. Hence our assumptions is wrong. This contradiction has arisen because of incorrect assumptions that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. We conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Similar to this, examiner can ask 3 minus 2 root 5 is irrational. Then first you assume 3 minus 2 root 5 is rational, and 3 minus, if this 3 minus 2 root 5 is rational, then this value will be in form of p by q, and a and b are co-prime integers. And rearranging this will be 3 minus a by b equal to q root 5, because this value is negative, hence this goes in second side and this comes in first side, hence 3 minus a by b equal to 2 root 5, and by solving we get 3b minus a by b. If we solve this, then we get 3b minus a by b, and at the place of this we will be, and this 2 goes in denominator, and we find this in this type 3b minus a by 2b, and here this is similar, and at the place of this will be 3b minus a by 2b is rational, hence this is equal to root 5, hence this root 5 is rational, and this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradicts has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions, hence this 3 minus 2 root 5 is irrational, wrong. Hence our answer will be 3 minus 2 root 5 is rational. So in your exam, if questions becomes different types, then without any problem you can change value or minus or plus sign. I hope that this questions is clear and proof of irrational is clear. For your more practice, you can solve some other questions. 3 minus 2 root 5 is irrational, and 2 root 5 minus 3 is irrational. Our next video will be terminating and non. You can join Mataji class for your more educational videos on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram. Mataji class. Subscribe, like and share in your friends. Thanks.